if I told you that the smallest helicopters in the world could redefine your idea of flying? Imagine a machine so compact that it feels like it belongs in a movie, yet it's real, practical, and surprisingly affordable. These ultralight helicopters aren't just for enthusiasts, they could be your next adventure in the sky. But how do they stack up against traditional aircraft? Stick around as we take you through the 10 smallest ultralight helicopters that could change the way you fly forever. Number 10. CH7 Compress Charlie 2. We start our list with the CH7 Compress Charlie 2, an ultralight masterpiece designed for both thrill and practicality. With its minimal length of just 23 feet, it's one of the most compact helicopters you'll find. At only 67 pounds empty weight, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and fuel efficient. This small, sleek design doesn't compromise on performance though. Powered by a 150 horsepower liquid-cooled engine, it's capable of reaching 100 miles per hour cruising speed and soaring up to 15,700 feet. Whether you're looking for adventure or simple recreational flying, this helicopter can easily carry up to 485 pounds. That's enough to take 2 passengers and a bit of luggage along for the ride. What really sets the Charlie 2 apart is its cutting-edge carbon blade profile, giving it exceptional precision and stability during flight. At a starting price of just $10,000, it's a steal compared to the larger, more expensive counterparts. Assembly takes just 3 hours, making it one of the fastest to assemble ultralights, and it demands just 8 gallons of fuel for an exhilarating 3-hour flight. It's the ideal choice for any pilot eager to test the skies without breaking the bank. Number 9. Myrocopter SCH-2A. At just 249 pounds, the Myrocopter SCH-2A is one of the lightest ultralights available. This single-seat coaxial helicopter is powered by the FIET MZ202 engine, offering a top speed of 62 miles per hour. The compact design and 5-gallon fuel tank make it one of the most fuel-efficient ultralights, offering 3-hour flight time on a single tank. Priced around $35,000, the Myrocopter SCH-2A is perfect for enthusiasts looking for a low-cost, compact, and reliable machine. Its unique coaxial rotor design ensures stability during flight, making it an excellent entry-level helicopter. Number 8. Gen H4. Finally, the Gen H4 is a 4-engine ultralight designed with redundancy and safety in mind. Weighing 154 pounds, it features 4 10-horsepower engines, allowing for exceptional reliability in case one engine fails. The H4 is designed to comply with FAR 103 regulations, offering a minimalistic open cockpit and a range of 136 pounds payload. This cutting-edge ultralight helicopter is still in development but shows promising potential. If it hits the market at an estimated price of $45,000, it will revolutionize the ultralight sector by combining lightweight design with reliable performance.
Number 7. Rotorschmiede VA115. The Rotorschmiede VA115 is a single-seat coaxial ultralight helicopter with a lightweight build of only 253 pounds. Powered by a 50 HP Hirth F23 engine, it reaches speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. Its compact rotor diameter of 4.5 meters provides incredible maneuverability for such a small aircraft. At a price of approximately $60,000, the VA115 is one of the best options for pilots seeking a low-maintenance, low-cost helicopter with excellent performance. Its design is tailored for those who prefer simplicity and reliability in their flying machines. Number 6. CH77 Ranabot. Next up is the CH77 Ranabot, another ultralight from Italy's Helisport of Turin. This one is for the aviation DIYer. The Ranabot is available as a kit, so if you're ready to roll up your sleeves, this is a perfect project. It features a rotary system with both main and tail rotors, making it incredibly stable in flight. Powered by the EPA-modified Rotax 914 engine, the Ranabot can reach speeds of 130 miles per hour. With a gross weight of 1,123 pounds, it can easily carry 485 pounds of payload. You'll have enough room for 2 passengers and some gear, making this a practical option for light travel or hobbyist flights. Fuel efficiency is another strength of the Ranabot, with a 17-gallon fuel capacity offering an impressive range, while its 20.6-foot rotor diameter allows for smooth maneuvers even during high-speed cruising. At $95,000, it's more expensive than others on this list, but its versatility and performance make it a top contender for anyone serious about ultralight flying. Number 5. Safari 400. A favorite for DIY enthusiasts, the Safari 400 is a kit-built helicopter with a striking resemblance to the iconic Bell 47. Made by CHR International, this helicopter is affordable and provides a hands-on building experience for aviation lovers. The 0360 Lycoming engine delivers 180 horsepower, pushing the Safari 400 to speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Weighing 1,058 pounds, the Safari 400 offers 2.5 hours of flight time with a service ceiling of 10,000 feet. It's a great option for those on a budget, with operating costs around $99.21 per hour. This helicopter is ideal for both hobbyist builders and those seeking a reliable flying experience at a moderate price of $100,000.
Number 4. CH7T or Spirit Tandem. If you prefer a tandem seating configuration, then the CH7T or Spirit Tandem should catch your eye. A design that evolved from the CH7B, this helicopter boasts a turbocharged Rotax 914 engine capable of delivering 115 horsepower. The lightweight design, combined with a centrifugal clutch system, ensures smooth startups and reliable performance even at higher altitudes. This two-seater is equipped with skid landing gear, offering smooth touchdowns in almost any environment. The Spirit Tandem is perfect for sport flights, giving you agility and precision while maintaining a relatively low operating cost. Priced at $120,000, the Spirit Tandem is a reasonable option for those seeking adventure and a fast yet stable flight experience. Number 3. Conner K1. For those looking for something a little more powerful and high performance, the Conner K1 delivers just that. Designed by Cesarelli Aircraft in Italy, the K1 features a 250 horsepower engine and can soar to speeds of 160 miles per hour. This makes it not only one of the smallest helicopters, but also one of the fastest in its category. Its compact two-seater cockpit allows for a panoramic view of the sky, which is perfect for exploration and flight training. With a gross weight of 992 pounds, the Conner K1 can carry 353 pounds of payload and offers an impressive range of 368 miles on a full tank. While it's more expensive than many other ultralights, priced at $150,000, its safety features like the electrical auto-rotation system ensure that the flight is not only thrilling, but safe. For those looking for adventure with some added peace of mind, the Conner K1 makes an excellent choice. Number 2. Curé CH8. The Curé CH8 is a kit-built two-seater helicopter weighing in at 1,058 pounds. With a 140 horsepower engine, this helicopter promises maneuverability and efficiency while still being light enough to provide a fantastic flying experience. Crafted entirely from carbon fiber, the CH8 boasts superior durability while maintaining an excellent weight-to-power ratio. What sets this helicopter apart is its semi-rigid rotor design, which allows for sharp maneuvers with minimal vibrations even at maximum power. With a fuel capacity of 232 liters, the CH8 provides up to 2.5 hours of flight time, reaching speeds of 121 miles per hour. At a price point of $150,000, this helicopter is perfect for both recreational pilots and those interested in DIY aviation projects. Its agility and range make it an exceptional choice for long-distance flights. Number 1. Denali H3 Sport. Next, we dive into the Denali H3 Sport, a Belgian-built ultralight designed for safety and simplicity. It's lightweight with a gross weight of 992 pounds, making it one of the most efficient helicopters in its category. The H3 Sport uses the trusted Rotax 912 ULS engine, delivering 100 horsepower for steady and stable flights. The helicopter's two-seater side-by-side cockpit gives a spacious feel, while the panoramic canopy offers breathtaking views of the sky. With a fuel capacity of 16 gallons, the H3 Sport provides up to 3 hours of flight time, allowing for long, enjoyable trips. For those on a budget, the H3 Sport comes in at $197,000, a competitive price considering its performance and capabilities. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and safe flying experience with the freedom to explore the skies. And there you have it, the 10 smallest ultralight helicopters that could change the way you fly. From the ultra-efficient CH7 Compress Charlie 2 to the high-performance Conner K1, these machines prove that bigger doesn't always mean better. Want to experience the thrill of flight without the massive price tag? The sky's the limit. But here's the twist. What if one of these helicopters is hiding a secret that could make it the best deal on the market? Could there be an even smaller model out there waiting to change the game? The hunt for the ultimate ultralight helicopter continues, and we'll be the first to bring you the latest. Stay tuned.